So I'm not here to tell you that you should or should not want wealth. If you want wealth, take it. It's yours for the taking, if you know who you are. And I'm telling you who you are. There's only one God, and He's actually seated here tonight in everyone that is seated here. And He is your own wonderful human imagination. And by Him all things are made. And without Him, there isn't anything made that is made. So you name what you want made in your world, and then work up your imagination to the state of vision. And then it is done. At that moment, it is done. Just drop it, as you would a seed, and the seed has its own appointed hour when it's going to flower. So you go your way, leaving it alone, and when you least suspect it, it's going to erupt in your world. So when Amos asked the question, he answered it. Does evil befall a city unless the Lord has done it? No, it can't befall any city. So when you read the most horrible story in the world, well, you will react normally, but no, it is done by the very one to whom it is done. It is all within us, everything in the world. And there is, in the end then, no accident. And yet we are not predetermined to play a certain part. We are predetermined as far as the Word goes to fulfill the Word of God. But as far as the parts in the world, no. We are emotional builders and we will play our part based upon the degree that we have understood who we are.